Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, Dyno pull. One of my all-time favorite vehicles, GT350, laying down well over 800 real horsepower on E85. We also made pulls on 93, almost 800, about 780. We're gonna watch a dyno pull on 85. We are gonna go down, take a look at the engine compartment. It does have a painted supercharger, which is sick. We're gonna talk more about it. Have any questions, of course, at the end of this, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Subscribe, hit notify as well. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, I'm really excited because, as you know, if you watch my videos, I love these cars. Black with matte black stripes. This thing's sick. So I'm going to put a link in the description. I'm going to talk about this. You might have more questions. Open that description. You can click on each part, read a lot more about it, see what it costs. Doug, come down here, take a look. Here's what we have. Gen 5 Whipple. Of course, the big 132 throttle body. We're running the 3.875 pulley that comes on this kit. So we're coming in at about 10.5 pounds of boost. You'll see that on the dynograph. We have stainless works long tube headers, ID 1300 injectors. We're running a booster pump, and then cooling mods. We have the big Aller radiator, rear cylinder cooling kit. Those are must. He did some other upgrades. McLeod twin disc, carbon fiber drive shaft, sick setup. Pretty easy. Again, description, open it. Click on those links, read a lot more about them. Check out this dyno pull. All right, here's what I love about these numbers. We did not change the boost between 93 and 85. DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 5. Check this out. On E, 858 real horsepower, 8,300 RPM. On 93, 781, 8,300 RPM torque. 560 on E, 528 on 93. And boost, we're right around that 10.5 pounds peak. Killer setup. This is the straight up kit, of course, custom tuned because you're on an 85. But we keep these kits in stock. You know, you like these, check that description. We can ship it right to your door. Or maybe you want to come in, get your car built. You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. Leave that comment. Happy to answer. But on GT350s, Whipple's the way to go. Man, 85, 10 pounds of boost, 850 the tire. Sick car. Thanks for watching.